Look at your bathroom. It's functional. It's fine. But what if I told you the most overlooked feature in your home is about to become the most intelligent? We've been stuck in the stone age of porcelain and stainless steel. But new leaks for 2026 reveal something extraordinary. Sinks that clean themselves. Surfaces that repel everything. Designs that seem to defy physics. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. What you're about to see will make your current bathroom feel ancient. Number 1. KOHLER K2355-0 Archer. KOHLER is a big name in the industry, and it usually signals customer satisfaction and quality. And KOHLER K2355-0 Archer is no different. This rectangular bathroom sink has an amazing geometric appeal. With inner beveled edges and striking angles, the unit is suitable for those who love geometry and symmetry. It features an overflow drain, and it requires no faucet holes. When you're choosing a reliable undermount bathroom sink, it's crucial to consider the material used. KOHLER K2355-0 is made with sturdy vitreous china for an appealing finish and enhanced durability. With the name KOHLER stamped behind it, you're assured that it's an ergonomically designed item. It has excellent drainage, which is ensured with an angled bottom. The standard drain comes ready for drain installation. Hence, the installation process will be seamless. Number 2. Sinkology BOU0712HN Pavlov. Your undermount bathroom sink should not be ordinary. Raise the bar higher for not settling for an average sink. The Sinkology BOU0712HN Pavlov is handcrafted in a state-of-the-art design to give it a simple yet stunning look. The oval undermount bathroom sink screams class and durability. The sink is engineered with an elegant hammered nickel finish for a glaring look. This makes it extremely durable and virtually maintenance-free. The hand-hammered texture adds beauty and character, making it the centerpiece of your bathroom. It also complements the work of art in your home. Nickel fabric is sturdy and attractive, and it can go with nearly everything for a stylish look. It's suitable for anyone looking for a modern style. This item is great for a bar or bathroom sink, and the nickel finish is super easy to clean and maintain. Sinkology Copper Care Kit comes with everything you need to protect, clean, and maintain your sink. Number 3. Nantucket Sinks UM16X11W. This is a small rectangular undermount bathroom sink that will complement your bathroom and countertops. The smaller and more compact size with a deeper bowl delivers a stunning look in smaller spaces. Even if you have dull bathroom walls, the crisp white ceramic sink will brighten and beautify the restroom. In most cases, most bathroom sinks tend to be shallow, making it hard to handle various tasks. But with Nantucket Sinks UM16x11W, you won't experience this. The softly slowing bowl has a deep design to accommodate multiple bathroom tasks without spilling water on the floor. The sloping sides of Nantucket Sinks UM16x11W sink combined with a sleek, flat bottom brings a modern style. The white color will match with most whites in your bathroom. It has a pre-drilled standard drain hole and a centered overflow hole to prevent overflowing of water. The shiny glaze gives a beautiful look, and it's easy to clean. It's stain-resistant, meaning it will remain shiny for several years. Number 4. American Standard 426,000.020 Studio Carre. The American Standard 426,000.020 Studio Carre sink is made of sturdy vitreous china that is durable, easy to clean, and maintain. The square design is attractive and unique to give your bathroom decor a look to die for. Under the robust vitreous china is a high-quality ceramic that is durable for years. Securing a durable undermount bathroom sink combined with a competitive price is a rare occurrence. Luckily, the American Standard undermount bathroom sink has struck a fantastic balance. It's an ideal product for people who want a modern item with a tight budget. The permanent American Standard logo signals reliability and durability. It comes with a complete undermount kit, which includes brackets, silicone putty, and instructions. Number 5. Wells Sinkware RTU 2016-6W. Wells Sinkware is a leading company in the bathroom sinks accessories, as well as fashionable kitchen items. It has been in the industry since 2005 and has extensive lines of premium sinks. The Wells vanity sinks are stylish, durables, and with charming designs. And Wells Sinkware RTU 2016-6W is no exception. The sink was engineered with you in mind. The sink is made of vitreous china, which is double-fired to added stability and strength. This feature makes the sink durable to serve you for a long time. Combined with low prices, this modern Undermount bathroom sink is a good investment. The smooth and white surface cut cleaning time in half and repel stains. Additionally, the unit is compliant with ADA, American Disabilities Association. You can customize the standard drain hole to your liking. Mounting kit included. The curved surface ensures water drain fast with no corners to collect dirt, meaning you'll have an easy time cleaning the sink. Look at your bathroom. It's functional. It's fine. But what if I told you the most overlooked feature in your home is about to become the most intelligent? We've been stuck in the stone age of porcelain and stainless steel. But new leaks for 2026 reveal something extraordinary. Sinks that clean themselves. Surfaces that repel everything. Designs that seem to defy physics. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. What you're about to see will make your current bathroom feel ancient.